Hello, I am Matilda, a technical expert at Radonix. One of the practical options in Radonix control is the use of a surface detection sensor. The activation process for this feature is as follows. You only need to select two inputs in the settings section, then go to System and then Import, which refers to digital inputs. You can select any input as desired, but in reality, two inputs must be selected. One input is a micro switch, which makes contact with the tool. The second input issues the surface detection execution command. As you can see, input number 5 must be set to true, and its link should be set to surface detector pin. The next input, enable, must also be set to true, and its link should be surface detector Z. It is important to mention that the input assigned to execute the surface detection command can be either a virtual button on the software or a physical button, such as a remote button, keyboard button, or a push button on the control panel. Now, after setting up these two inputs and restarting the software, 4 adjustable parameters will be added to the settings section under the General category. Let me explain these 4 parameters. 1. Surface detector back. When using the surface detection sensor, after the sensor detects the surface, the axis moves back by the amount specified in this variable in the opposite direction of the sensor. This displacement allows the operator to remove the sensor. 2. Surface detector. Displace. Upon executing the surface detection command, the axis will move towards the sensor up to the distance defined by this variable. If the surface detection sensor is not triggered within this distance, the axis will stop. 3. Surface detector thickness. When using the surface detection sensor, after detecting the surface, the system interface needs to know the sensor thickness to calculate the workpiece surface level. This thickness is stored in this variable. 4th, surface detector velocity. When executing the surface detection command, the axis moves towards the sensor at the speed specified in this variable.